Very good morning, all. Uh, Today we cover a very important question. That is, what is inheritance and what are the different types of inheritance? Inheritance क्या है और इसके types क्या है? So this is the definition of inheritance in object-oriented programming. That is OOP. Inheritance is when an object or class is based on another object and class using the same implementation or specifying implementation to maintain the same behavior. Suppose that we have one class that is called base class, that's name is XYZ, and we have a drive class under the base class that is XYZ1, so that the properties of base class automatically transfer to the drive class. There are many types of inheritance in which we have these. First one is single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and last one is hybrid inheritance. What is single inheritance? When only one class inherited from a base class, then it is known as single inheritance. Suppose that this is a base class and this is a drive class, so that the properties of base class transfer to the drive class. Next one is multiple inheritance. A class can inherit properties from more than one class. We have base class 1 and base class 2. The properties of both the class transfer to the drive class, which is known as multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance allow us to combine the features of several existing classes as a starting point for defining new class. Third one is hierarchical inheritance. When many subclasses are derived from one base class. This is the base class and these all are the drive class, so that the properties of base class transfer to the drive class 1, drive class 2 and drive class 3. This is known as hierarchical inheritance. When the properties of one class are inherited by more than one class, it is called hierarchical inheritance. This form has on superclass and many subclasses. More than one class inherit the trait of one class. For example, bank account. This is our bank account, है ना? ये हमारा बैंक अकाउंट है, इसमें सारी की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन सेव है, लाइक नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, फोन नंबर, एड्रेस, एंड these all accounts share the information from this particular account. So this is the example of hierarchical inheritance. Next one is multi-level inheritance. A class can be derived from another drive class, which is known as multi-level inheritance. In this example, you can see there are three classes. First is X, second one is Y, and third one is Z. So the properties of X transfer to the Y, and properties of Y transfer to the Z. So this is called the example of multi-level inheritance. Order of constructor calling in multi-level inheritance. When the object of a subclass is created, the constructor of the subclass is called, which is turn called constructor of its immediate superclass. So base class is Y, है ना? This is the X property transferred to the Y class, and Y's property transferred to the Z class. Last one is hybrid inheritance. It combined two or more forms of inheritance. For example, as shown below in figure, this is the example of hybrid inheritance. Here, multiple classes transfer the properties to the one class, and hybrid inheritance also using it. Combination of hierarchical and multi-level inheritance, where we are using two types of inheritance and combine these inheritance for one, है ना? तो ये कहलाता है हाइब्रिड इनहेरिटेंस। So this is the all about inheritance. If अगर क्वेश्चन आ जाता है what is inheritance and explain the types of inheritance, तो उसमें हमें ये सारी चीजें बताना है।